Imagine that this is the shower of your dreams. However, the water outlet is not located where you need it most. With the new QM drain, adjustable linear drain, you just have to measure, adjust, and install. It comes with every part needed to create your design, without modifying your existing plumbing. It was designed to bring modernity and beauty without restrictions. The 3-inch model can be used outdoors in terraces, swimming pools, and more. The corner connector creates designs without interruptions. Its ability to adapt knows no limits. The new adjustable series of QM drain, in any of its models, tile-in, wedge wire, and perforated in satin or polished finishes, made with stainless steel 316, is a guarantee of quality and the highest resistance to corrosion. Experience the difference. QM drain. Adjustable linear drains.